Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Contract accounting, one important problem we are going to work out. If 2 years or 3 years, multiple contracts are given, then how to work out this? Very important and very easy also. As you have learned previous classes, according to that, this is also same. A small difference we have to find it. Okay. So anyway, this problem is given on the desktop. You can just copy it or note down. So this problem is taken from Cost Accounting, Jain and Narang author, Kalyani Publications. Okay. Now problem is, let me explain this problem clearly, then after that I'll show you the solution. Now problem is given here, from the following relates to a building contract for 10 lakh rupees. Contract of the building is 10 lakh rupees, but 2 years information is given, 2016 and 17. Doesn't matter, we have to prepare contract account for the 2 years. We used to prepare for 1 year, we'll prepare for 2 years. For 2 years means, see the format, particulars 2016-17, particulars 2016-17. Only rather than 1 year, we are preparing another year also, one more column also. Some people prepare this contract account separately, 2 contracts account also. Contract account for particulars 2016, another contract account, particulars 2017, like this also people will prepare. Doesn't matter, however you prepare. Now format, you might have by having an idea. Okay. Now see the problem. So 2016-17, both the years are given. So it's displaying on the screen also. First one is material issued. Material issued means debit side you'll write. So one is 3 lakh rupees and another one is 84,000. Debit side you'll write. Okay. Direct wages, direct expenses, indirect expenses, all these expenses will be written on the debit side of the contract account. Debit side. 2016-17 separately will write. Simple. Okay. Material issued, direct wages, direct expenses, indirect expenses. All these things are written on the debit side of the contract account. Next, work certified, uncertified, both are given. Okay, we'll be writing on the credit side. Credit side contract account, work in progress. Under that column, certified, uncertified, both will be showing separately, right? Next, material at site, plant issued. Material at site is here how much, 5,000 and 7,000. So this is closing material. Opening material is given in the top, beginning material issued, that was opening. Now this is closing. Plant issued is right from the beginning. This is the only one amount we are finding, so we'll write it on the debit side of contract account. 14,000 and 2,000. Next, cash received from contractor. This we won't write it in the contract account. This will be useful while calculation of the profit or loss. Okay. Next one, adjustments. What is given? The value of the plant at the end 2016 and 17 were 7,000 and 5,000 respectively. End of the year values are given, plant values. Okay. So this will write it on the credit side. Okay. Next one, prepare contract account and contractors account for 2 years, taking into consideration such profit for transfer to profit and loss account as you think proper. This is we know. So I'll explain this problem very slowly, and already you have noted, I think. Keep the problem with you and we'll work out. Already I have done. I'll explain it simply. First thing, we'll focus on the first year, 2016. Columns, what we have written, particulars 2016-17, debit side. In the same way, credit side of particulars 2016 and 17. First, we'll focus on 2016 year. First 2016 year, what is written? First one, material issued 3 lakh rupees. Material issued 3 lakh. We are writing here. Only 2016 focus. Okay. Direct wages 2,30,000. This also we have written. Direct expenses to 22,000. Indirect expenses 6,000. Okay. And work certified, uncertified, both will comes on the credit side. Okay. What do you write? Work in progress. Under that column we'll be writing work certified and uncertified. Work in progress, it is here. Let me underline this point. So work in progress. Under this column, you'll find work certified and uncertified. Certified is here. How much? 7,50,000 it is here. And uncertified 8,000. Together it is coming to 7,58,000. And now next, material at site. This is 5,000 and 7,000. Both will write it on the credit side because material issued already written on the debit side. Here, material issued. This one. Material at site means closing. So this is 5,000 and 7,000. This is here. Okay. Next, plant issued. Plant issued is first time we are hearing this plant. So this is opening balance of plant only. So debit side will write 14,000. It's here. And cash received from contractor, it doesn't comes here. So first year is we have written, and let's focus on the second year also. Second year material issued 84,000. 84,000 is here. Direct wages 1,05,000 and direct expenses 10,000 and indirect expenses 1,400. Plant is here 2,000. Okay. And credit side, what else we need to write? Work certified, uncertified. Work certified is given to us 10 lakh rupees. Uncertified is not given. Okay. Next, material at site. Material at site is 7,000. Next, plant issued. Plant issued is debit side. So debit side here we have written already 2,000. Okay. Next, cash received from contractor, it doesn't come here. Now coming to the closing balance. Closing value of the plant 2016 is 7,000. Already we have written. And for next 2017 7,017 is 5,000. Okay, we have written everything posted. Now just focus on the closing balances. Closing balances, always remember, first let us finish this 2016 year. 16 year, if you see, this total is 7,70,000. 7,70,000 minus all these transactions, all these items, 3 lakh, 2 lakh 30, 22,000, 6,000, 14,000. If you deduct all these things, you are getting notional profit, which is the balancing figure. Okay. Balancing figure, transfer to the next. Carried on, you can say, carried on. So this is over. Now coming to 2017. 17, these closing balances 1, 2, 3. These closing balances will be opening balances of next year. Would you agree? Like in final accounts also we used to do. Whenever you get last year closing balances, that will be the opening balances of this year. So these three are closing balances. Material at site, plant and work in progress. These three are closing balances. Closing balances we are writing in the beginning of 2017 year as opening balances. So 3 I have written. Work in progress, how much? 7,58,000. Material in hand 5,000 and plant, closing value of plant, that is 7,000. 3 I have written here. And rest of the amounts are as it is given in the problem. As it is given in the problem, like material, direct wages, expenses, indirect expenses and plant, all these things are, as we have written for the 2016 year, in the same way 2017 year also we have written same way. But only these three amounts, that is the reason I have underlined with blue marker. 1, 2, 3 transfer to the closing balances, transfer to as the opening balances of the 2017 year. Okay, this we have written. Then after that, up to here is clear. And 2016 year means first year only we are going to calculate profit or loss. For the second year 2017 or 18 or 19, whatever may be the years, we will not prepare the profit and loss, only for the first year. So what we have done, notional profit is transferred for only the first year. Second year we are not touching. Second year means 2017 we are not touching. Only for 2016 year, notional profit is transferred from debit to credit. Then after that, you have to calculate the profit or loss. So that is this one, profit and loss account. For this, what is needed? Formula is, notional profit into 2/3 or 1/3 into cash received from the contractee and divided by work, what is that? Work certified. That's the formula we know. But how do we come to know the formula whether it is 1/3 or 2/3? You must know the work completion. For that purpose, in working notes, first we have to prepare calculation of percentage of work completed. How much work is completed, that you have to do. As we have done in the same problem, same like yesterday's problem, previous problem, contract price is 10 lakh rupees. 10 lakh means 100%. Now, right now for this certified work is here 7,50,000. For certified work of 7,50,000, this one, how much? Calculate. 7,50,000 by 10 lakh into 100%. It is coming to 75%. 75% means 2/3 only you can take, right? 2/3 you can take. Now it's easy to calculate. Calculation of profit or loss, which is to be transferred to the profit and loss account. Calculation of profit or loss transferred to profit and loss account. Now how do we calculate? You know the formula. Formula is notional profit into, how do you got 2/3? Because of 75%. 75% means it is 2/3 only. 2/3 into cash received by work certified. So as per this formula, notional profit is, this we are preparing only for the first year, second year not required. First year, you know, notional profit is 1,98,000. 1,98,000 into 2/3 and cash received. In the problem it is given. Cash received, last point, 6 lakh. So 6 lakh divided by work certified. Certified is 7,50,000. So you got 1,05,600. 1,05,600 is written here. Okay. Notional profit is this much, 1,98,000 and minus profit and loss account, this amount. This amount. You will be getting the balancing figure as work in progress, you will say. Work in progress, in brackets you can say reserve. So this is the balancing figure. How do you got 92,400? 1,98,000 minus 1,05,600. You got it. This work in progress. Am I clear? Now we'll see the second year. Second year means 2017 year. We did not touch, we have just posted. In this 2017 year, we are not going to calculate percentage of work completed or otherwise profit and loss to be transferred to profit and loss account. Nothing is required. And notional profit is also not required. Simply what you are doing is here, credit side total is 10,12,000 you are getting. Credit side total minus all these amounts. You will get profit, that is net profit, simply net profit, just like final accounts. Are you understanding? Just like final accounts, this credit side amount minus debit side, all these amounts, you will be getting 39,600. This is net profit. Net profit, simple net profit you will say. So here no notional profit and no working notes also. This working notes is only for 2016 year. If they ask 2018 also, in the same fashion, you will be writing all the amounts just like here, and credit side minus debit side, you will be getting simple net profit. No notional profit, no calculation of working notes. Am I clear? This is the only point you have to understand. And another important point is here, closing balances, whatever you find for the first year, that will be the opening balances of the next year. 2016 closing balance are 5,000, 7,000, 7,58,000. These three are opening balance of the next year. Okay. So this 2 points, if you remember, rest of the problem is normal. And of course, they are asking you to prepare even contractor account also. Contractor account is very simple. For both the years, I am preparing here contractor account. Simply you have to write by bank. Amount, how much amount you have received from the contractor, that amount, 6 lakh and 10 lakh. Both you are writing. This is balance carried down. That's all, simple. Am I clear? Take a screenshot. Hope with this contract accounting subject is clear, chapter is clear, and I am not advising you to follow simply 100% our channel only. Take out your textbook, any textbook, whether it's a Kalyani publications or Sultan Chand publication or Pankaj publication, any publication you take, but you have to work out more problems. so that you will become more perfect. So I am giving you idea and important problems, I am covering it. Practice is much required for you. Go ahead and practice well. By the way, check out our channel. There are many subjects already covered, and follow it and get the good marks, and don't forget to share with me. Take care. Good luck.